Mexico floods 2025 in 60 seconds, June 2nd to 3rd. 2025, Mexico City suffered worst flooding in years. A massive rainstorm dumped up to 70 millimeters of rain in just a few hours across major boroughs like it's more than 65 locations were flooded. Roads, underpasses, and even some homes were submerged under 1.5 to 2 meters of water. Mexico City Metro Line A and Cable Bus Line 3 were partially shut. Even clinics and hospitals like IMSS Clinic 53 were flooded. The city activated Operativo Lluvias 2025 or rain operation to deploy pumps and emergency crews to clear the streets and restore services. June 10, 2025, more rain and hail hit western Mexico City. Another storm hit Coajimalpa and Alvaro, causing traffic chaos, shutting down service, and damaging property. Torrential rains and hail made drainage harder, and some areas were flooded repeatedly from the earlier storm. July 3rd to 4th, 2025, Hurricane Flossie adds to flood trouble. Remnants of Hurricane Flossie caused further flooding across central Mexico. Mexico City, Puebla, and the state of Mexico were heavily affected. Roads and hospitals flooded, and there were landslides in some hilly zones. Emergency shelters were opened, and more than 3,000 people were displaced across the country. What's the main problem? It's climate change. Warmer temperatures mean heavier, more sudden rainfall events. But the aging drainage system in Mexico City, much of which was built 50 to 70 years ago, can't handle it. Clogged sewers and poor waste management also play a big role. As do new buildings and roads that have replaced natural ground that could absorb water. And in nearby states like Jalisco and Oaxaca, deforestation has increased the risk of dangerous runoff and flooding during storms. What are the authorities doing? The government is installing 40 new water pumps across high-risk flood zones and has launched a major stormwater project called 100 Points of Water Acupuncture to collect excess rainwater in green zones. They're also working on a circular city waste plan to reduce trash and storm drains. And they're upgrading emergency protocols and early warning systems to help vulnerable communities. What's the impact? Dozens of neighborhoods are underwater. The Mexico City Metro has been shut. Roads are flooded. Public clinics and hospitals have been damaged. In the state of Mexico, streets and homes are flooded. Schools have been closed. In Puebla, hospitals and streets are flooded. And there have been landslides in hilly zones. In Jalisco and Oaxaca, rural floods have damaged farmland and forests. More than 3,000 people have been displaced. This is a developing story. For more updates, stay tuned.